Thin sheet processing is entering the era of high-speed competition. In industries such as sheet metal processing, cabinets and enclosures, metal furniture, home appliance manufacturing, and automotive components, the customers are placing increasing demands on delivery efficiency, cutting quality, and production stability. Efficiency is becoming a key factor for manufacturers to strengthen their competitiveness. To meet the demand for efficient thin sheet processing, HGStar introduces a high-speed laser cutting solution that helps customers improve production rhythm and unlock higher capacity. For thin sheet processing scenarios, the machine can achieve high speed and stable cutting, quickly complete complex cutting paths, and effectively increase output per unit of time. With high-speed cutting of 1 mm stainless steel, the machine delivers faster response and smoother cutting, providing higher efficiency for batch thin sheet processing. By showing cutting performance across different materials and speeds, the efficiency advantage of the machine in high-speed thin sheet processing becomes more intuitive. A faster cutting rhythm means stronger order-taking capability, shorter delivery cycles, and higher production line utilization. Fast cutting also requires high-quality results. High-speed cutting is not only about speed, it also focuses on cutting edges, finished product quality, and processing stability, helping customers reduce rework and improve product consistency. This machine can be widely used in thin sheet processing fields such as sheet metal processing, cabinets and enclosures, metal furniture, home appliance and kitchenware manufacturing, automotive components, and advertising signage, meeting customers' diverse needs for high efficiency and high-quality cutting. High-speed cutting empowers efficient manufacturing. HGStar continues to provide customers with efficient, stable, and reliable laser processing solutions.